Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, then enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here will be displayed your both IMEI numbers. And the second method, you can just open settings, then go to the general settings, scroll down, go to the about phone, and here in common you can find, go to the status, here you can find your IMEI number, and also in hardware info you can find your serial number. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.